Hi there. My name is Rachel, and I wanted to share a book with you today called Chace's Champion. Let's get the whole cover here. This is part of the series Proactive Parent Proofread Age-Sensitive Content, Safe Hearts. So all of these books cover topics that are generally pretty hard to talk about with your children, whether you're a guardian or a parent or are just a mentor in the child's life. Maybe you're a teacher or social worker, anything. These books are to teach children what to do when they are faced with situations that make their hearts beat fast and they get the signal that something isn't right. And your brain can give you a lot of feelings, and it's hard to understand what to do with those feelings. So the heart defenders come and help children in different situations learn what is right to do when they are feeling confused, maybe disgusted, hurt, angry, sad, anything. So in this book, Willow, our main character here, uh, is staying the night over at at her cousin's house. This is her cousin, and this is her cousin's younger brother. And what happens is Willow sees something where a safe person, her uncle, does something that is unsafe to her cousin, her young cousin right there. And she sees it, and her heart gives her a message saying, uh-oh, this is not okay. And it's an important conversation to have because children in your life may have a situation where they see something that is not okay, but they don't know what to do. So I would really recommend this book for you to share, to read, and to help your children understand how to react in certain situations, that they need to talk to a safe person and have a conversation with them about who is safe, whether it's a teacher, a church member, a parent. Hopefully you're a safe person. And I just want to share some of the questions at the end that are available with these resources. So, can you remember a time that your heart might have been alerting you to help someone else? What happened? Tell your parents about it. So that can be maybe they saw somebody do something wrong, maybe they saw somebody get hurt, maybe they saw a picture that they shouldn't have seen. These are all conversations, and you want to create a safe place where your child can feel comfortable having these conversations with you. And again, right now, with everything going on, most families have a lot of time together to have these conversations, and this is a good opportunity to take advantage of that time together. I'll share one more question. Has there been a time that you wanted to tell an adult that you were worried for someone else's heart and safety, but you were scared that they wouldn't believe you? What happened? You know, it's very important to have these conversations with our children, and not in a way that scares them, but makes them more aware. We don't want a child to see something and be too afraid because they don't know what to do in that situation to never speak about it. I think even as adults, we need to be reminded sometimes that there are safe people and that we need to be proactive when we see something wrong in the world. So this is a wonderful time to do that. Please enjoy sharing Chace's Champion with your child and having these conversations. Thank you. Take care.